Okay, so just so you know, I'm not expecting you to be able to do this, and it won't be on the test. I just wanted you to have a little bit of practice at it because it's cool to be able to see that numbers. So essentially what we're doing here is we're going to come up with a quote unquote binomial for the number 79. And 79 is really the nice neat number 80 minus 1. Okay? And we're going to keep following our rules for when you square something like this. You square the number in the front, 1600. Nope, sorry, fuzzy math. 6400. Okay, 8 times 8 is 64 with the two zeros. You multiply the two things here together and double it for the middle term. So what's negative 1 times 80? Negative 80. Double it, negative 160. And then you square it for the last term. So negative 1 times negative 1, positive 1. Okay? Then you can actually take 6,400, subtract 160, subtracting 100 gives you 6,300, and then subtracting another 60 gives you 6,240. And then you have to add this 1 on the end, and you get 6,241. And I did that without looking at the book, so you can check it and tell me if I'm wrong on the book. Okay? Let's do it again. We're going to take 403 squared, and we're really going to write that as 400 plus 3, and then square that. How do we do that? We square the term in the front. 400 times 400 is 16 with now 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros on it, 160,000. We multiply them together for the middle term. 3 times 400 is 1,200, and we double it to be 2,400. And then we do the last term squared. 3 times 3, 9. So now when we add these together, we get 162,409. Again, it says use mental math, and that might be a bit much to do with mental math, but that certainly helps you see how what we're doing with the binomials applies to when you just have numbers like that. Okay, there's going to be some other ones that have related kind of things to the other idea that we're doing with the binomials. You'll see that in a little bit. Anyway, again, you're not going to have to do this on a test or anything, but it's cool to know that you can do it like that.